Hi everyone, my name is Santiago Vazquez from Sydney, Australia. I'm excited to present my final project for CS50, a website for the debugging Duck's very own lawn care business, Duck's Lawn Care. The website serves as an online hub for customers to learn about Duck's services, submit inquiries, and for the business owner to manage those inquiries efficiently. Let me walk you through how the site works and highlight some key features that make it user-friendly and business-ready. On the customer side, the website offers a clean, simple layout. I chose to order the content in a way that would make most sense for a prospective customer. At the top, we have a hero image that captures the essence of what the business does. Following that is a short description of their services, how to get in touch, before and after pictures of previous jobs, and reviews from customers. The site is fully mobile optimized, meaning that whether customers are on their phones or desktops, the site adjusts accordingly, including the image carousels and the contact us forms. It even features a fully responsive dark theme, which activates based on device preferences. For the contact us form, I've chosen to add specific optimizations like drop-downs for selecting when the work is required, mandatory fields, and validations to ensure data integrity, like character limits on certain fields. Once a customer submits the form, their inquiry is securely processed in the backend and stored in an SQLite database. They'll also receive a thank you message confirming their submission. Now, what happens behind the scenes for the business owner is what makes this site really special. First, all submitted inquiries trigger an email to the business owner summarizing the customer's request. Then, each day at 6 p.m., the system sends a scheduled email giving a daily report of how many new inquiries were received, how urgent each inquiry is, and how many inquiries are still waiting to be contacted. Let's move on to the staff view where the business owner logs in. For security, the login page can only be accessed by typing the URL manually, /login. Once inside, the owner can see all the inquiries listed from newest to oldest. We can mark an inquiry as contacted or not contacted with a button that updates the status in real time without needing to refresh the page. The system even calculates how old an inquiry is down to the days and hours, provided its status is not contacted. In addition, there's an option to add notes to each inquiry, which is stored in the database and displayed right next to the inquiry for reference and ease of use. There's also a pagination system, which improves the UX from the business owner's perspective. Everything is handled through the Flask framework on the back end, with JavaScript and Bootstrap ensuring responsiveness and usability on the front end. I've built the entire project using technologies like Flask, Bootstrap, and SQLite, and included features such as email integration, session management, and pagination for smooth navigation through inquiries. That's it for my project. Thank you for your time. My name is Santiago, and this was CS50.